you've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb? Think I've heard it before.
What's up, sunshines and savages, and welcome back to another video. Or if you are brand new here and this is the very first time you ever see my face, what's up? I am Jen. I share all things health and wellness here on the channel. Anything I do to level up my own life, I share with you guys in hopes to inspire and motivate you to do the same. So if that sounds like your jam, make sure to subscribe before we jump into today's video. What's up, beauties? Let's go ahead and dive right into it. Today we are talking all things low calorie, high protein, travel, snacks, meals on the go. I know right now, this time of year, a lot of us are traveling for vacation. The kids are going to be getting out of school, summer activities, just being out and about and on the go often. And I hear this from clients all the time. I wasn't able to hit my macros because I was out and about and on the go and busy and traveling and all of that. So I wanted to bring this video to you guys and share some options of some lower calorie, high protein snacks that you can get on the go or at grocery stores, gas stations, just things that you can pack and take with you ahead of time that will help you fuel your goals, that will help you get the results that you want, help you hit your macros, all of the things. So if you are going to be out and about a ton this summer or traveling with work, vacation, any of that, and you are in need of some lower calorie, high protein options to fuel your goals, hit your macros, and keep you trucking along on this health journey, then just keep watching. All right, guys, let's go ahead and dive right into it. I just went right to my pantry and just grabbed things that I had on hand that I would grab if I was leaving and I knew that I was either going to be at a ball game with the kids or I was going to be traveling for some hours and I wanted to have high protein, low calorie options on hand. I'm getting on an airplane, whatever the case may be. These are things that you could throw in your bag, incredibly easy, and have on hand that are all awesome to help you hit your macros. So jumping right in, Star-Kissed tuna, 70 calories and 17 grams of protein, guys. You could throw this right in your bag, suitcase, purse, whatever. It's tiny and will help you hit your macros, and it's absolutely delicious. And they have a million different brands and kinds and flavors and all of that, and they have awesome macros. Two, if you wanted to throw a whole can of chicken, depending on where you're going, if you're going to be at a hotel room or you're staying, whatever it is. These are absolutely awesome macros, 90 calories a serving and 19 grams protein, and you really could do anything with this. You could throw it on a salad, you could throw it in a wrap, you could eat it just as is with some sauce on it or whatever. So absolutely great option. Of course, protein bars. They are always quick and easy. These are my top go-to. Cookie dough chunk Built Bar, #1 flavor ever, absolutelybomb.com. I have a link below that will save you some money, and I think they may still have these in stock. If not, I know they have a ton of other ones, so check them out. Also, the level 1 bars, which is like a complete meal replacement. These ones are a little higher calorie, 260 calories and 20 grams of protein. This one right here, which they only have seasonal, this is the Pumpkin Spice Crunch. 100 out of 10, so delicious. But any protein bar that you can get your hands on that is high protein, low calorie, and delicious, have on hand, throw it in your purse, you're good to go. Of course, any kind of meaty snack. So it could be whatever kind of meat stick that you like, or little meat trays, or these little jerky bags. This is 100 calories and 13 grams protein. This is 75 calories and 10 grams protein for both of the sticks. And these Nick sticks are delicious, 0 sugar. I get these off Amazon. They have them at Whole Foods too, and they probably carry them at other stores as well. These you can get from the gas station or anywhere. I get the big pack from Sam's Club so that I have them on hand and I can just toss them in my purse and I'm good to go. And you could pair with these a light string cheese. If you're in a deficit, go for a light string cheese. If you're not, you could just get any kind of little cheese tray they have at the gas stations, grocery stores, or string cheese that you can just throw in your bag. I will be showing you guys after this. I'll be taking you in the store to some gas stations and the grocery store and showing you some options in there that you can grab quick on the go if you're out and about and didn't think that you were going to be out that long, so you didn't prep and have any of this stuff on hand from the house and you just ended up being out for hours longer or whatever the case may be, and you got to just swing into a quick gas station or a grocery store, and I will show you some options that will help you keep you on plan and hitting your macros in there as well. So any cheese and meat option is a great option to keep in your bag, in the purse, stop and grab on the go. Of course, you guys know we couldn't have this video without the Quest protein chips. They are my absolute favorite. There are other kind of protein chips out there if you're not a Quest fan, but these are 140 calories, 19 grams protein. protein, and for me, they are spot on chip. The kids love them, family loves them, and they're absolutely awesome. And who doesn't like a nice chip snack when you're on a long drive or something? So that is really awesome. They have a million different flavors. I get the variety flavor off of Amazon, and I love that. I know Target carries a lot of flavors as well. So that is a great option. And then, of course, talking protein shakes are always a go-to. You can easily drink these while you're driving. You could bring these along to throw in your coffee if you're staying in the hotel. It's an absolutely awesome option to use as a creamer, which you guys know that's what I like to use these for, or to bring regular protein powder to throw in shakes and milk, almond milk, water that you can just grab from the gas station, mix it up. You could throw this whole tub in your car if you're going for days, or you could throw it in a cool little travel funnel like this. Just makes it easy to empty into a water bottle or whatever while you're on the go. If you don't have one of these and you don't want to bring the big tub, or you're limited for space and you want to throw it in a suitcase or something, you can get these little travel size Ziploc bags and portion them out in there, 1 or 2 scoops or whatever you need in there, and just perfectly portion it, seal it, and throw it in your bag, and you're good to go. So that's the options that I just had on hand really quick right here, that if I was going somewhere, this is what I would have in my bag. I'm actually leaving to go on a trip to Summer Smash, St. Louis, Missouri in about 2 weeks, and I will be taking all of these on the plane with me so that I'll be able to eat these while I am traveling, and I will be good to go, hitting my macros, getting my protein in, and feeling my best while I am traveling. Now we're gonna go pop into the store. All right, guys, before we head to the grocery stores, I realized that I had Formula 1 when I was showing you the protein powder. That is a post-workout. It's a rapid assimilation protein, and that is ideal for the post-workout setting. If you are traveling and on the go and not just finishing a workout, then you definitely would want level 1, which is a sustained assimilation protein, which means it mimics the digestion rate of whole foods, so it will keep you fuller longer. So this is definitely what you want, level 1. And I always have a link down below for these guys. They are low temperature processed, good quality, awesome protein powders. But just wanted to point that out because I had accidentally grabbed the Formula 1, which is the post-workout. Also, forgot to show you guys the Laughing Cow cheese. These are only 25 calories for one, 2 grams protein, and it's awesome to take quick on the go that you can have with maybe your protein chips or your meat snack or whatever. And it's an awesome low-calorie option. So we're in Target now, and the first stop is these already prepped salads. Most all grocery stores that you go into will have some options available. It might not be the exact same thing as these, but they have salads, sandwiches. Those tend to be a little higher calorie, but a lot of them have the nutrition facts on them. They have little veggie trays with fruit, crackers, and they have the calories on them. Make the best option that they have fit into your macros. Another good option are any of their meat and cheese trays. Again, check the calorie and protein count to fit in your allotted macros. They also have these awesome egg bites, which are delicious. You can throw into a microwave. Here's another awesome option that the hubby just found. These like meal kits or meal in a bag, dinner in minutes. These burger bowls with Tzatziki yogurt dip have 93% lean ground beef in there. They have the yogurt dip, the chopped salad kit, chickpeas, and feta cheese. And that would be an awesome quick option if you are traveling on the road and you have like somewhere to cook. That would be a quick option to run and grab. But one of my most favorite options for dinners are these either oven roasted chickens or these rotisserie chickens. These are absolutely awesome. They're normally $5 or $10 depending on what store you go into, and it takes just as long to run in here and grab one of these as it does to go through the McDonald's drive-thru. Another one of my favorite go-to options would be some hard-boiled eggs. These are 60 calories for 1 egg and 6 grams protein. Target also usually has, it's out of stock right now, I'll insert a picture here on the screen, a bigger bag that comes with like 6 or 8 eggs if you're like staying at a hotel for a couple days or something and you want to have them on hand. Awesome quick option to get your protein in. These are also an awesome option for traveling if you're going on an airplane or something. These little nut butters are awesome to take in your bag. And of course, all of the protein shakes, which I already showed you guys at the house, but they have a ton of options here at Target also. They have different protein bars. They have protein cookies out the wazoo, protein chips, a bunch of different flavors. all the Quest goodies, all the Quest cookies, all of these. If you were out and about and you forgot your stuff at home, but you need to grab some options, Target is pretty much located everywhere, so this is a great option to come in here and score some of these. And they do also have all the Atkins stuff. It's not the absolute best, but in a pinch you want some kind of a dessert or something, then you definitely can fit these in your macros. This is the best options in gas stations, to come to the little fruit station, cheese and meat trays, pickles. Stay away from the candy, guys. You always have a bunch of options. They're not going to be the absolute best options, but out of the gas station, it's going to be your best options. Normally, most stores will also have a section of protein bars or like some Skinny Pop options, some cookies, some fruit. There's always something if you look, guys. All right, guys, so that'll do it for this video. I'm actually going to film a part 2 to this because I thought of a bunch of things that I could have included. And when I was in the store, I need to bring my microphone when I film in there just because it's so loud. You can still hear me, but I definitely want to go over a few more things. A couple of the things like that meal in a bag at Target. I have never seen those before. You guys know I do Target drive up usually, so I don't go in store and see a lot of the new things. But that's awesome just for a super quick weeknight dinner. Or if you're traveling, you're at an Airbnb and you want to cook while you are there and not go out every single night, that would be quick to grab and just cook up in the Airbnb. That would be an awesome option. The rotisserie chicken's probably one of my favorites because you can just grab it. It's cooked. It's ready to rock and roll. You can pull the chicken off, throw it on a salad, throw it in a wrap, just eat it as is. And that's an awesome option to get you in some protein and not a ton of calories. There are ways to do it when you are out and about. I didn't even touch on the restaurant part. I'll probably film another video for that, but pretty much anywhere you go, you can get grilled chicken or just the beef patty on a salad or whatever you can make do if you want to hit your macros when you are traveling, when you're driving, when you're flying, when you're out and about with the kids and activities. Even if you don't pack stuff from home, when you are out and about and in a pinch, you definitely can stay on plan and get some higher protein, lower calorie options if that's what you plan to do. Just know that it's your choice, whichever you do. Sometimes we choose to eat the off-plan foods or eat the fast food or whatever it is, but this video is to help give you options if you are not wanting to do that when you are out. And if you plan to be out a ton over the summer, you definitely don't want to be indulging every single day and reverse your results and fuel yourself with foods that don't serve your body the best, don't make you feel the best, don't help you with your workouts and energy and all of those things. I also just want to add, if you are in a calorie deficit or on a fat loss journey and you are wanting to see results, you are going to have to adhere to your plan more often than not to be able to see results. So if you are traveling a ton or you have different festivities and activities going on every single weekend, you definitely need a lot of these options to help you see success. You can not only dial in from Monday to Thursday and then eat off plan every weekend. There's always stuff going to be going on. There's always going to be festivities. You're not going to be able to indulge in every one and still be able to see results. So if you are wanting to stay on plan while you are out and about this summer, then these options can definitely help you. And make sure if you have any awesome things that you take with you on trips and that help you stay on plan when you are out and about, pop those down below so that we can all benefit from them. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see a part 2, make sure to give it a thumbs up. That definitely helps me out and lets me know that you guys enjoy these videos. If you aren't subscribed, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on part 2 or any other videos that I have posting here on the channel. Hit me up over on Instagram. I'll be traveling in the next couple weeks to St. Louis, Missouri for the Summer Smash with Phorm. So I will be taking a bunch of stuff with me and I will be posting what I am eating. I will be having some off-plan stuff on that trip, but not everything. So I will be posting on Instagram all the behind the scenes of traveling and flying and all of that. So make sure you guys hit me up over there at inwithjen. I hope you guys are all crushing it out there, even on vacation, even when you're traveling, eating good and still seeing results. So thank you so very much for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next video.